Hi, my name's Aditya Dargan, and I'm currently a student at Carnegie Mellon University. This video is to showcase my 15112 project, a Rubik's Cube solver. So let's get started. As you can see on screen, there's an interface which allows the user to put in the cube, how they have it, how their cube looks like. I have a cube right here, and I'm going to mix it up on video so you guys can see that it's a fair, it actually works. So here I go, I'm mixing it up. Uh, that's a good mix. So the way I'm going to do this is you click on any of the colors here, for example blue selected at the moment, and you paint the cube how painted wherever blue is. So I'm going to paint blue here because this is the front side, and where I'm painting right now, that's the front side, so that's blue. So this way I will be painting the entire cube. So as you can see, the program allows you to easily color the cube, and there are instructions. For example, if you press I, it will show you what you're supposed to do. So let me quickly paint the cube, how it looks. And now we go to the back, so it looks like this. So that's how I'm going to be putting in the back. So you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now the right side. So and then we do the left. This is all with respect to the blue as the front and the yellow as top. So now we're doing this side. So it'll be like this. So orange, orange, white, white. Just the bottom now, and the bottom looks like this. There we go. And now all you simply have to do is press cube entered. So the program has looked at the cube. You click next, click the button which shows, it'll show you the next move. So for example, the first move, it says R. So you turn the right side clockwise. And basically the program will show you step by step on what move to do, but it assumes you know what R means. For example, an L, U, and it's basic Rubik's Cube notation, which can be learned fairly quickly as in comparison with learning how to solve it. So the program will show you step by step how to do the cube, and it will keep updating. As you can see, every time I click the button, it shows the next move and the cube updates. So this is so that the user can keep track of how, basically it'll tell them how their cube should look when they do the move. So if we keep going, we can see that, for example, the white side is solved at the moment. So it's definitely making progress. And then there's also something beneath the next move. It shows the number of moves that have been made. So that's useful to see just how many moves you've made as a user and the computer has made. So let's keep going. So it's on the last layer now. And it's getting close. And that's it. That solved the cube. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.